Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can open a functional PayPal account without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you too can open a PayPal account. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about online payment gateway and PayPal related issue, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as today PayPal account opening is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so I need to click on here now to make a new tab. So I have to click on here to make a new tab. And I'm going to make use of address bar right now. So I'm going to type in paypal.com. All right, so at this point here, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on login right here. So if you click on login, it's going to take you to this point. So the next step you have to take is to click on sign up. Now here you need to enter your mobile number right here. So I'm going to type in my mobile number right away. So you need to understand the fact that the country code has been taken care of by the first digit of your phone number. So in this regard, you have to type the rest of the number in accordance with our international code. So I'm going to type in this way: 6751 and 98. Okay. So having done typing your phone number in a correct way, so the next thing you have to do is to click on next. So PayPal is going to send code, a verification code to this particular phone number right here. Okay. All right. So the code is here. So the code is 96 54 46 96 54 46. So here you need to fill in your details, such as you enter your email address, your first name, and so your first name, your email address, your first name, your last name, then you create your password and confirm your password. So I'm going to off the camera there while I fill all this information right here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on next. Then here you need to fill in your detail, your address, and then the city and the zip code. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the detail such as my date of birth, address line 1, address line 2, city, and postal code. Okay. Okay, so my postal code. So my postal code is 04001. Okay, and here we need to click on here to select state or capital. So my state is Lagos. Okay, so now the next thing you have to do, stay logging in for a first checkout. Then the next thing you have to do is to just click on here to agree to the terms of service, tick on that. I said tick on this box also. Okay, so finally click on create, agree and create account. All right, so you can see you are in. What is next? Send payment and shop with EC with your new account. So this is just a simple step by which you can create a new PayPal account. All you have to do is to follow the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can create a new PayPal account without any stress. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorial about online payment gateway. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.